Hi everyone. We're going to do a Little League Baseball field problem. It's very similar to the one we just did, which was the Major League Baseball problem. It's just with different numbers here. So if you watch that one first, then that's great. Or you can watch this one first and then do that one. But basically what we're trying to find is this is your pitching mound here. And we want to know how far it is from the pitching mound to first base, which is the X we're looking for. And then we also want to find out how far, not how fat, how far it is to the second base here, which is your Y. And then we're going to call this beta. How far, what angle does the pitcher need to turn to face first base? So the first thing we're going to do is find X. And what we have is a side angle side problem. So to find X, we're going to use the law of cosines. And I'm just going to use X squared equals my 46 squared plus my 60 squared minus my cos of 45. No, sorry. Left stuff out. Minus your 2AB, so it's going to be 2 times 46 times 60. I'm trying to do this just looking at it. Cos of, I'm just going to do this whole thing again real quick. It won't take long. So I'm going to move it over. X squared equals 46 squared plus 60 squared minus 2AB, which is your 46 and your 60, cos of your angle, which is 45 degrees. Now, cosine of 45 degrees is a square root of 2 over 2. I'm going to go ahead and use that fact. Now, when I take the square root, I'm going to get, well, let's just take care of this. So x squared equals 5,716 minus 5,520 times the square root of 2 over 2. The reason I like doing this is now I can just divide that out. So I'm going to go ahead and take the square root and divide that out at the same time. We get 5,716 minus 2,760 square root of 2. All right, and then this is what x equals. So x is approximately 42.58 feet. You can put it here if you want. All right, now we have to find y. So to find y, we're going to do like on the last video and just use the Pythagorean Theorem. And what we're looking at when I do the Pythagorean Theorem, I'm going to look at this whole triangle here as a right triangle. So this is my right triangle here. So my A is 60, my B is 60, and my C is going to be this whole thing, which is 46 plus y. So let's go to that in the next slide. We're going to have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that's 60 squared plus 60 squared equals my c squared, which is 46 plus y squared. So this yields 7,200 equals 46 plus y squared. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So I get a square root of 7,200 equals 46 plus y. And then I'm going to subtract 46 from both sides. So I get the square root of 7,200 minus 46 equals y. And this is going to be approximately, y is going to be approximately 38.85 feet. Okay, so that's your answer to that, 38.85. put it here. Now to find this angle, we're going to use law of cosines again, and we're going to use the 46 and the 42 here. We're going to use these two numbers here to find my beta, my two sides. So we're going to use cosine of beta equals, and first of all, this is just going to be a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Whoops, ac. All right, so what we get is cosine of beta equals 46 squared plus 42.58 squared minus 60 squared over 2ac. 42.58. Okay, and then I need to do the inverse of this. So inverse cosine, and I'm going to just clean up this a little bit. This is going to be 329.0564. I'm going to leave the significant figures out here. And then we have 3,917.36. So basically, I simplified the numerator and then the denominator. And now I'm going to put this in the calculator, and I get approximately 85.2 degrees. So you come back here. So my beta is 85.2 degrees. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.